Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hope we're all doing well today. This beautiful sunny day. Well, might not be sunny where you are, but today I have just thrown together a video. Literally was going through the freezer earlier. I was like, oh yeah, that'll do. I don't know why I'm holding this like that. I have a chicken thigh burger. I've put some spicy mayo on it and a slice of cheese. It's still really hot. You know, homemade and all that. Popeyes can't come to England, I'll go to Popeyes. Some fries and onion rings and some garlic dough balls. I've also got some water, sparkling water here. It's 0 sugar, peach and apricot flavour. So we'll give that a bash. And yes, I'm leaving that in. I just spilt that all over me. Fantastic. How did they do this? I can't do it. Okay. I've literally just soaked myself with water. They overfilled that. That's for sure. I'm leaving that blooper in there. You can all have a laugh at me, spilling water all over myself. Shower and a mukbang, how about that? Only you, Zoe. Only you. Anyway, here's my water. So cheers. Ooh, refreshing. Even if it is all over me. I have some animal style fries here. So this is like a Big Mac sauce, I think. I've had it before, it's really nice. I wanted you to watch me pour it. It's got pickles and like the Big Mac sauce that you get on the Big Macs. So yeah. And I didn't get myself a fork. Oh, I'll be right back. Oh, never mind. Someone to the rescue. Thank you very much. Well, this is going to be a fun video. I'm off to a shit start already. Okay, let me try these. Fries. See that? Like a Big Mac sauce. Mmm. Really nice. Mmm. So, yeah, threw it all together. That actually makes an alright meal. Let's dig into this chicken burger. Oh. Oh. It's hot. I'm making a mess everywhere today. Water all over me. Forgot my fork. Little mini garlic dough balls. Yes, I have my mustard and my mayo. Mm. That sauce. I haven't really got much to talk about today. It was Mother's Day on Sunday here in the UK. I was thoroughly spoilt. Didn't have to lift a finger all day. Which I thought was really nice. Thank you.
No problem.
Trying out these new lashes today. Look how long they are. I got them in a mystery box a couple of weeks ago from a girl that does it where I live. Not around where I live. Her name is Shannon. And her business name is called Shan Lashes on Instagram. They're actually really good. I don't wear lashes normally in this big. But the sun's out, so I thought sod it. Thoroughly soaking wet. Can't believe I did that. You can all have a good laugh at that little bit in the clip. I'll probably end up on some cringe video somewhere. I'm leaving it in. This sauce is good. It'd be good on a burger. We got these fries from a little freezer shop that sells frozen food, obviously. But it comes in just a little packet and with the sachet of sauce next to it. And I thought, I'll give it a go. And I tried it before. It was really nice. I think it's got little bits of cheeseburger in there as well. Whatever it is good. Yeah. Well, that's pickled, maybe. Let me figure this out. Yeah. It's bits of burger. Bits of cheeseburger. It's good. That was a crunchy fry. How have you guys been doing? For my UK people out there, happy Mother's Day for Sunday. I'm not sure when the American Mother's Day is, but I know it's different to ours. Someone tell me why that is, actually. Oh, hot. That was hot. Yeah. Somebody tell me why the UK Mother's Day is different to American Mother's Day. So worried I'm going to spill that all over me again. for the people that like that noise. You're welcome. Let's eat some more of these garlic dough balls before they go cold and horrible. The garlic butteriness. Just as I say, it's a nice sunny day. All the clouds come over. Typical. Show you all that saucy sauce. It's good stuff. I'm not really feeling this burger though. I thought it would taste better. Yeah. Nah. That's actually really refreshing. It's good stuff. Mm. Mm. 13 minutes in and I'm full already. I suck at mukbanging. Oh, here comes the sun back out. I did want to say, hold on. I did want to say a huge thank you to everybody who reached out to me in my last video about Ethan and the bullying situation. It means a lot that so many of you care or are supportive. Fingers crossed this week's been better so far. It's only Wednesday, but thank you guys. It means a lot. Excuse me, I appreciate you. All of you. These fries. Everyone knows who follows me that I don't always finish my food, but I finish these fries. And there goes the dog. Snorri Snorrison. Oh, I like the sunlight. My eyes are now bigger than my belly. But the good food happy dance. He's laughing at me dancing in there. The good food happy dance. I'm done. I can't eat anything else. If I do, you're going to see it regurgitate. So. Nice. That is some good water. I have to have a little bit more of that. It's refreshing. That is what I was trying to do for you guys. We see people pour their drinks into their glass, and all the ice and that cracks and bubbles up, and it makes a lovely little, like, quite a relaxing sound. Not this chick. Let's spill the bloody water all over me. It's nice stuff though. Anyway, if you haven't already, please leave a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. You won't regret it. You see me doing stupid things like spilling water all over me. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you're notified next time I upload or go live, which probably will be soon. I need to do a live soon with you guys. It's been a while. But yeah, thank you all for being there for me when, you know, the last video. I really appreciate that. I love you all. Stay safe. But for now, I'm like a belly button. I'm outie. Bye.